Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Rayo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this Irish potato breakfast recipe. It's super easy to make, and the great news is that the preparation took just 15 minutes. If this is your first time on my channel, why not consider subscribing, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get into the video. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 medium Irish potato, 1 chopped beef sausage, red and yellow bell pepper chopped onion, 1 chopped garlic clove, chopped green pepper, optional, some vegetable oil, half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of curry, small seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. So firstly, we are going to be starting by steaming the potato. Transfer your potato in a clean pot, then add just a little bit of water, about quarter cup of water, and leave to steam till it's like 80% or 70% cooked. And that should take about 4 or 3 minutes. So I've been steaming this on a low heat for 4 minutes. Don't forget to lower your heat while steaming it. So let's move to the next stage. Secondly, we are going to be stir frying our vegetables. So add a little bit of oil to the pan, throw in the chili green pepper, and some garlic. Then I'm going to saute it for a few seconds. Then I'm going to add my chopped onion. Then I'm going to saute it till the onion is transparent. That should take about 1 minute. So after 60 seconds, I'm going to add my seasonings, then give it another stir. After stirring to combine, I'm going to throw in the bell peppers, then I'm going to saute it for another 1 minute. Then I'm going to add my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. Just make sure that you grill or boil the protein you're using before adding it. Then I'm going to stir it to combine, then saute for another 1 minute. So there we go after 1 minute, but this vegetable is too much for me, so I set some aside. Then I'm going to be adding the steamed potato that we steamed earlier to it. Then I'm going to mix it well to combine. Then our potato is ready to serve. So this looks gorgeous and it's delicious. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome to kindly subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share with friends and family, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in another video. I love you so much. Bye.